This is gonna blow your mind. 95% of brake failures can be avoided with simple checks. First up, let's talk about brake fluid. Low or dirty brake fluid can cause your brakes to feel spongy or even fail. Make sure to check the fluid level and condition regularly. Next, worn brake pads. Your Ford F150's brake pads wear out over time. If you hear a squealing noise when you brake, it's probably time for a replacement. Another common issue is a bad master cylinder. The master cylinder is like the heart of your braking system. If it's leaking or worn out, your brakes won't work properly. Don't forget about the brake lines. Leaks or blockages in the brake lines can seriously affect your braking power. Make sure they're in good condition. Lastly, let's not overlook the brake booster. If your brake pedal feels hard to press, it might be a problem with the brake booster. It helps you apply enough force to the brakes. So, there you have it. Low brake fluid, worn brake pads, bad master cylinder, faulty brake lines, or a problematic brake booster. These are the usual suspects when your Ford F150 brakes aren't working. Stay safe and keep your brakes in check. Thanks for watching.